Well, hi, and welcome to Aussie Scale Modeller, midweek build episode number 2 with the mighty Fulbore HG Ute. But before we get on to that, we have some amazing stuff here from Ickysticy, one of the main, well, I don't know, supporters of the channel, supposedly we call them. They're fantastic people to deal with, and they make fantastic products. So what I've received today in this little care package, and a big shout out to Monique there, thank you very much. Look guys, go to ickysticy.com.au and click on the link, and right after this I'll announce what the big prize is. Or the competition, let's just say. You go in the draw. Okay, what do we got here? We've got the Hobby Glue Rubber Tarpon CA Shock and Impact Resistance. We've got rubber, steel, glass, fiberglass, polycarb, neoprene, metal, phenolic, carbon fibre, aluminium. And always, you've got everything that you need on the back there to make sure you know how to use the stuff. Okay, we'll just tuck that to the side. Rightio, and I think we put this on before, but it's the Foam Safe CA. So for you guys out there, your canopies and all that sort of stuff, great product there. Followed by, if you want to get it up and smart and toughened up a bit quicker, you've got your little accelerator, your Ickysticy Foam Safe activator. Make sure, guys, always keep your lids, keep them in the fridge too, eh? That's one thing I found out, keep things in the fridge. Okay, well, you might be working with your balsa, or you've damaged some wood, or you've got a gap or something there. Restore, rebuild, instant bond. Now this stuff, epoxy putty wood, instant bond, restore and rebuild, restore antique mouldings, furniture, rebuild cracks, dry rot, knots, holes, reshape handles, carvings, chair legs, frames. Sets in 15 to 25 minutes, hard and 60, easy to use and no mess. No mess works for me. So these are just some of the amazing products that are on Ickysticy. And well, if I had teeth, I'd be using this. Filler gap, two-parted easy filler, fills, cracks, holes and gaps. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. And in a few more videos time, I'll be doing a bit of a demo on all these products. Again, you've got all your directions there, safety precautions, and like with most CA glues and that, guys, don't put them in your mouth, don't eat them. You can take it as a tip. Rightio, what else we got here? Electrical brush-on tape, or brush-on electrical tape. Go the awesome dyslexia there. We've got it contains, you got your brush-on cap, absorbs vibrations, ideal for hard-to-reach places, seals out moisture and corrosion. Awesome. And some Ickysticy Hobby Craft PA glue. And well, you guys can read, I'm pretty sure, or most of you, 99%. Hey, I need help sometimes as well. So get that in here, guys. That's nice and awesome there. Great products there. And well, nice little care package. Now, Monique was saying that anybody that orders from Ickysticy, they get these nice little packages along with your order. So, guys, jump on the website there, ickysticy.com.au, and look at that. I've got a spare lot of blades there. I think they're the ones. Fantastic. But also have a look at this. Nice A4 cutting mat, which we'll be using in the build. So it needs to be christened with a few extra things. So what I'll do, we'll just open it up here. And there's your back there. So you've got your choice of colours. You've got all your angles there you can use, inches, and you've got your centimetres there. Fantastic. If you're going to be cutting out circles or whatever, there you go. And you've got your angles there as well. So, wow, little A2 size, I believe. This is A2 or A3. I can never get it right. One day I will. Don't know what day that's going to be, but rightio, so I like this colour. And first up, because I've run out of Outlaw stickers, we are going to throw in these guys, the RC Garage. They're the guys that sent me the coffee cup, guys. Make sure you visit them there, and www.rcgarage.com. And if you've got stickers or anything you want, guys, let me, I'll hit my email up. Hit me at madausmod@gmail. That's madosmod@gmail.com. And Happy to have a chat with you guys. Hang on, let's go up here. Or well, we'll put that one on the other side. A bit of blue there. See how we go with that. Oh, it blends. Unfortunately, I'll put that one back there. We've got the blacker one there. We'll go with that. How about that? See how I go. Hey, that's not bad. Wish I got a bit of decals on that. Good. Rightio, we'll head back to the other side because I am a fan there. Rightio. Voila, we can put that. Oh yeah, let's go down there. Beautiful. And we've got the RC shop, the boys up there in Townsville. And fantastic. So we're going to throw these boys in there. Let's put them right there. Right, hey, while we're here, I've got some more Outlaw stickers coming. All good. Hang on, 5 secs. I'll show you what the boys from the RC shop sent me out. Have a look at that, guys. Have a look at that. So, level 4 Hemi Cooter. 70 Plymouth Cooter anyway. What a great little thing there. Woo, that's a bit close. That's all good. Let's have another peek. Fantastic. That'll go with the stash to be built at one stage in its life. Yeah. Hey, you know what? Guys, I'm feeling good. Real good. And look, I've got a massive stash anyway, and I'm in my 50s, so I don't think I'll be... He who dies with the most stash still dies, and your kits don't get made. So 20 more subscribers, guys. From now, I think we're really sitting at 298. 20 more subscribers. The next 20 go into the draw for this cooter. In Australia, look, happy to send it anywhere for you guys. But if you're overseas, if you guys want to pay the postage for it, not a problem. So that's up for grabs. 1970 Plymouth AAR cooter. Next 20 subscribers. So from 298 to 318. You're in the draw. Rightio, guys. Time to hit and revisit the HG Holden Ute from FulboreModels.com. Well, guys, here we go. Part 2 of the engine build. The Fulbore resin models, 1970 HG Ute, 1/25th scale. And so far, yep, this is where we're at. Just have a peek at this. There we go. Let's go to a bit of a closer up there. Let's have a peek. There we go. Now there is gaps in that there, guys. Hey, it's just the way it is. As I said, with the HT, we'll go into full detail. We'll be doing all the putties and that. I've done a bit of light sanding here, but hey, that's what I want. I want you guys to know that this model is wherever it takes you and whatever effort you want to put into it. I want to show you just pretty much stock standard out of the box. Okay, also, as you would have known if you watched Sunday's episode, this episode was delayed. So, yeah, we've already hit well past the 300 subscribers, guys. We're past the 318. We're up to 323. So, as you would have seen in the intro there, I'm giving away that Hemi Cooter there, the Plymouth. And I'm still going to give that away. But for the next 20 subscribers, if you subscribe from number 323 to 343, you guys are in the running for that. And as I said, guys, if you win it and you're from overseas, let me know. If you guys want to pay shipping, not a problem at all. I can do that. Rightio. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the instructions. And we are currently at... We put the headers on here. We're going to install the alternator. We're going to put the fan in. The flywheel there, the spin wheel there. And then we'll move on from that. And we'll head on to... Wait for it. Right, we're going to put the fuel filter in there. The Dizzy. What have we got? Not the alternator there. Nah. Anyway, I can't think of it now. We're going to put in oil filter. We're going to throw in the gearbox. And we're going to throw in the starter motor. And that'll take us all the way up to 16. So without further ado, we've got the mighty Ickysticy medium CA glue and that competition. Sorry, I wobbled on a little bit, just to let you know. Ickysticy, Fulbore, and an announcement now from Braden is this. If you are the first person or one of the first 30 people to order anything from Fulbore Models, that's fulboremodels.com, the first 30 people to order anything, you will go into the draw for a full kit, a 1970 HTBE Ute from Fulbore. Also, alongside of that, you will receive the starter pack from Ickysticy. Fantastic. It'll get you up and running straight away with the best glue in the country. And also, we've got the glue, we've got the kit, we're going to need to paint it. Braden from outlawpaints.com.au has said he will supply all the paint required to paint this model, and you get to choose whether you want to finish it off in 2K, 1K, and whatever the finishing colour you want on that body is. So what a great thing. Make sure you're one of the first 30 people to order from Fulbore Models. That's the first 30 orders from anything from Fulbore Models. Okay, guys, let's get into this. Now, I've done all this painting bit here prior to this, so we're ready to rock and roll. And just to let you know, again, apologies, no internet, the NBN, everything going absolutely horrible wrong in the electronics world last week. So let's get stuck into it. Got my little selection here of these tweezers from Ickysticy, fantastic. I've got my little adapters there from the nozzle adapters. So where are we going with this? We are going to attach the alternator. Let's go with that. Now I've got the activator here if I want to do a bit quick. So right, here we go. Chuck on the old spectacles. And let's get it on. Right, okay, we'll go with these little buggers here. Nice little hook. Rightio, now, that, let's get some zooming happening here. Right. Still getting used to this, folks, so that'll go there. Just there, that'll go. Rightio, let's get this on. Now, as I was speaking to Monique, she said, yeah, you, and also Andrew, you don't need a lot of this stuff. So I've been what they call quite liberal, so apparently I don't need to be that liberal. Let's whack that on there in a responsible manner, of course. A little bit of holding there. Right. Tiny dab. Now, guys, also, as I asked you guys, hey, please leave a comment in the section on what you think I can do better, besides put a big lump of glue on there. Yeah, what I can do better, let's have a peek at that, with these build videos, because, hey, as I said, so there we go. One alternator. Right. Let's get out of there. Voila. Okay, next to go on, we'll throw the wheel on there and the fan. Right. So we'll go here, just a little dab here. Again, I think I'm being a little bit too liberal, but hey, I had a run-in with a toothpick on the weekend. Went straight through the middle of the foot, or actually between the first and second toe. Was not pleasant. Don't advise it. So yeah. There we go. Right, beautiful. Now the VAN. Okay, we'll put that on top of a water pump. Good idea. This is just beautifully put together. This detail in this kit, guys, it's just, well, yeah, it's phenomenal. Can't wait for you guys to get hold of one for yourself. I'll just sit there like so. Let's get back out of there. Beautiful. Okay, we'll let that sit and dry for a little bit. Doesn't need to. This Ickysticy glue is just absolutely magically amazing. The way it just sits and binds really quickly. So there we go. So I don't break any more stuff, I'm just going to throw a little bit of activator on there. And that should do it. Yep, absolutely perfect. Thanks for coming. Okay, put the lid back on that. Right, moving on. Put the old little glass bulb in there, and that's what this little thing is here. There we go. I tell you what, the zoom, a bit hard. There we go. So I'll put the fuel on there. Obeying all instructions. And we'll get out of there. And that'll sit just about there, folks. Just lay that down on the side. Add a bit of Ickysticy there. Try that again. Voila, let's have a peek. Beautiful. Okay. Step 12, one distributor. Now, I am going to put the leads on this. Andrew said put it on pretty much like in the instructions straight away. But I am going to do a bit of a different strategy to that. Down that little hole there. So make sure it's all rearward facing and everything else is required before this motor goes in. So yeah, just seat that nicely in there. Have a peek at that. Happy days. Right. Right, we are going to put on the coil. Yep. Just in front of the dizzy there. Might just give that a tiny little bit of sandpaper just to take that little bit of paint off it there. Now don't forget guys, go to www.outlawpaints.com.au and ickysticy.com.au and fulboremodels.com.au, because this is where it's all at. This is where you get this great stuff from. Alright, so here we go. Just in there. Yep, I'll try that again. Yeah, as I said, guys, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. If I stuff something up, or if I'm not that good, which I don't think I am, I'm not the world's greatest modeler, I'm not Australia's greatest modeler. I love Australia, and I love models, and I like sharing this sort of stuff with you. So let's sort this out. And this glue is bloody awesome. Oh, there it goes again. Absolutely brilliant. Ha ha. Yeah. Let's have another go. Yep. There we go. Next we'll be throwing on the oil filter, I believe. Yep, the old oil filter just sits right down in there. Well guys, I really am sorry about where the rest of the footage went. Cannot find it anywhere, don't know what's happened to it. But anyway guys, there's a few shots of the little 186. Even my little mistake there with the old glue, over gluing. But don't forget to go to fulboremodels.com. remember, the first 30 people that purchase anything between, purchase anything, the first 30, you go into the running for that awesome HT U-Butte ute, which we will be putting all the effort into. We're talking the putties, the sanding, everything will be perfect. But as Andrew explains, look, these are resin kits, and he does explain it on the instructions, so it's fantastic. So what we need to do, guys, be one of the first 30, purchase something from Fulbore Models, and don't forget, hit ickystickyglue.com.au, and also Braden from outlawpaints.com.au. These are great people, great Australian companies. Support them, guys. And well, that's it. And as I always say, it's all good, and catch you later.